Friends, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want to start off by saying thank you so much for 22 subscribers from 17. That was like 5, so I am very thankful to those 5 people who subscribed. I hope you like my content that I'm putting out. Today I wanted to talk about how to start a big movement. So recently, if you did not know, I started a petition in my school for teachers to allow students to go to the toilet and listen to their lessons. It's ringing in my ear because I said that a lot. I said that a lot in school, and it got 300 signatures, like exactly. So I feel like I have the experience, and I want to tell you how I got there and how to start your own movement if you want to. So the first thing is that it needs to be something that everybody knows about, a situation that everybody feels uncomfortable with or upset about, or something that everyone has been complaining about for a long time. So for me, that was being allowed to go to the toilet at lesson time. Not because like you want to, but like specifically for girls, if they get a period, then it's just a bit weird. It's a bit weird. It's a bit weird. So like, I wanted to start that movement because lots of people were angry about that. I remember like lesson after lesson, I would see people asking if they could go to the toilet, and the teacher would be like, no, this is a lesson. Whether it was at the start, the end, or the middle of the lesson, they would just say no. So it needs to be something that is an issue that you know that a lot of people are upset about and want to be changed. The second thing is that you need to be confident. You really need to be confident. Like, nobody is gonna sign a piece of paper, sign a form if they don't know what you're telling them and the way that you're sounding convincing. Now, one of the things was that all the people that I was telling were either in my year or below my year. So it might have just been because I was like older than all of them, so they kind of maybe respect me more. But it's also the way that you carry yourself. You tell them what it's about. So I was like, hi, have you signed my petition? Do you know what it's about? Do you want to sign it? And then most people were like, oh yeah. Even this one kid went up to me and I was like, that's the best thing I've ever signed. I was like, oh, thank you. It's just things like that. You need to be really confident. Tell them why you want them to sign it. Tell them why you want to think about it more and all this stuff. One other thing is also, do not doubt yourself. I remember I started it. I was in line with my friends and I just stepped out of line. I was like, I'm going to start a petition. And they're like, and then I just got a piece of paper. I got 2. And then my friend started, and I was in 4 because I was the first person I went for the day. And I asked my friend, does she want to sign? I asked both of them because I sit next to both of my friends luckily. And they were like, no. And I was a bit confused at first, but then as soon as I started getting like into the hundreds, and then I asked her to help me count it, she's like, actually, I'm gonna sign it. I'm gonna sign it. And I was like, oh, okay. And I was like, well, can I ask you a question? Why do you want to sign it now? You don't want to sign it later. She's like, oh, because I thought it was gonna work. I thought it wasn't gonna work. So please believe in yourself, even if nobody else doesn't. Making a movement matters, even if it's small or big. And don't underestimate yourself because others do as well. Just keep on believing in the goal that you want to achieve, and it will work. That's it. And also, one of the other things is that if you're doing, say, a petition or signing a form or something, you need to be where the people are. You need to be where the people are. I did this at like, first of all, it was just my break time going around my friends, and then it was literally like, I was a bit nervous to go to like this whole boys table because it's just really loud, but like just go up to people, be where the people are. There were loads of boys on a bench. I was like, jackpot, just go up to them and tell them. And all of them obviously wanted to sign. It wasn't specifically for